presents 5 kilometers off the shore of Goto City in Nagasaki Prefecture lies an at-sea wind power generator. Generating electricity by simply floating on the surface of the ocean, it can be installed even in deep waters. There are high hopes for it as a form of renewable energy.
Today, there is only one floating 2,000 kilowatt wind power generating turbine. In time, we will add 8 more of the same type in the area, which will hopefully begin operating in January of 2024.
Climate change continues due to the effects of CO2 emissions. This includes abnormal weather and rising sea levels, as well as massive natural disasters. Countries around the world are setting goals on how they can help reduce CO2 emissions. In October 2020,
我が国は2050年までに温室効果ガスの排出を全体としてゼロにする。
the Japanese government declared that it would strive to become carbon neutral by the year 2050. In 2021, a new strategic energy plan was ratified. This is a breakdown of Japan's total energy generation as of fiscal 2020. The goal is to make renewable energy, which made up 19.8% of the total in 2020, reach roughly double, or 36 to 38% by 2030. For this plan's success, as well as achieving carbon neutrality by 2050, it is important that a well-balanced energy mix of renewable and other energy sources be utilized. Despite its lack of natural resources, how is Japan working to reduce CO2? Let's begin with renewable energy. One of its best-known forms is photovoltaic, or solar power. However, Japan has limited land, with very little of it on even ground and over 70% of it covered in forests. In spite of these obstacles, Japan has found ways to install solar panels wherever it can. The ocean, factories and warehouses, parking lots, convenience stores, shopping malls, and residential homes. Even some farmland is installing solar panels, and plans are being made to put them in even more places. Measures such as these have made Japan rank 3rd in solar power generation, behind China and the US. It now has one of the highest rates of flat land utilization in the world.